Yeah, hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this a new module. This pattern we will learn ask for input pattern. So what will happen is, so we will tell ChatGPT that you ask me the question. I want to achieve something. I want to get something. So you ask me the question. I will provide the answer, and this then combine all those things and provide a customized answer for me. Okay, so here this prompt follows the ask for input pattern by stating what input is needed. Suppose the input is meal description and what output is expected. What output I want from ChatGPT, that is might be detailed recipe. So I will provide meal description. Okay, I will provide meal description, and ChatGPT what it will do? It will provide the ingredients. It will provide the detailed recipe. It will provide the tips. It will provide the variations like that way. It also includes an implicit, implicit request for the first input. Okay, so ask me for the first meal. Okay, so let us provide one example. So the example number one is, from now on I am going to describe different types of meals I want to prepare. So I want to prepare some meal, so I will provide you the detailed description about it. You will provide a detailed recipe for each meal. So we will see it practically again. So see, from now on I am telling to ChatGPT or any other artificial tools that from now on I am going to describe different types of meals I want to prepare. You will provide a detailed recipe for each meal, including ingredients, cooking steps, and tips for the best results. At the end, list all alternative ingredients or variations that could be used. Ask me the first meal. Okay, so let us practice. Let me take this example and let us go to the chat gpt. Okay, paste it. Let me remove it. So what I am saying to chat gpt, that from now on I am going to describe different types of meals, so I will provide it that I want to prepare. You will provide a detailed recipe for each meal, including ingredients, cooking steps, and tips for the best results. At the end, list any alternative ingredients or variations that could be used. Ask me the first meal. Okay, let's ask. See, sounds great. What's the first meal you would like to prepare? So, first meal might be breakfast. Let's see how it works. Perfect. What kind of breakfast are you thinking of? For example, you are interested of healthy dish like veggie packed paneer scramble and light smoothie bowl, or something else entirely. Let me know your preference or any specific ingredients you would like to include. So I would say, perfect. What kind of breakfast are you thinking of? For example, are you interested of healthy dish? Might be healthy dish. Healthy dish, healthy veg dish. Okay, let me check. See the response, the quality of the response. Got it. Here is a detailed recipe for a healthy vegetarian breakfast dish: paneer and spinach stuffed paratha. Okay, good stuff. Paneer and spinach stuffed paratha. Ingredients what I need for the dough: 1.5 cup whole wheat flour, and then 1 by 4 the quarter tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, water as needed. For the filling, 1 cup paneer crumbled, 1 cup spinach leaves finely chopped, 1 green chili finely chopped, optional, 1 tablespoon cumin seed, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half spoon turmeric powder, salt to taste. For cooking, now the instruction: prepare the dough and then prepare the filling. All the detailed information in a large bowl. Mix the whole wheat flour and salt. Okay, then add the oil and mix until the flour has a crumbles texture. Okay, prepare the filling and then assemble the parathas. cook the parathas, all the steps it has given. Okay, serve it. Okay, serve hot with yakut pickle or a salad. Tips for the best result: ensure the filling is dry before stuffing the parathas to avoid any leakage. Okay, roll out the parathas evenly to ensure even cooking. Use a well heated tawa and pan for the best texture and color. Alternative ingredients, filling variations: you can add grated carrots, finely chopped onion, or herbs like coriander to the filling for added flavor. Okay, green free option, sorry, gluten free option. Spice adjustment: see how the quality is, how the detailed information you are getting, what I have written here. So I told ChatGPT that you will ask me the question, I will only provide what kind of meal I want to prepare. Okay, I will only provide the details and you will provide the entire details. Okay, so I think you have got the idea. Now let us go to the second example. The second example is: from now on, I will provide description of various business challenges and you will offer a strategic plan to address each challenges, including actionable steps, potential obstacles, and measures of success. Finally, suggest any additional resources or tools that could be helpful. Ask me for the first business challenges. Okay, so I think you got the idea. Let us practice this one, how it works. Let's go to this place. Let me paste it, and here it is. Got it. What's the first business challenges you would like to address? Get Not getting enough customers. Not getting enough customers. Need more customers for my product. Protein powder for my product. Protein Protein powder. Sorry for the protein. Okay, so you can write your challenges. Okay, so you can write your business challenges. You are not getting customer, you are unable to sell that product, you are unable to create that product more uh, attractive, more so you can write your problem. Okay, so here I am, suppose for example I have written that not getting enough customers, uh, uh, not getting enough customers, need more customers for my product, for selling my products, for selling my product protein powder. Acha, to sell my product protein powder. Okay, now let's see what it asked me to take the challenges. So I have given my challenges to tackle the challenges of not getting enough customers for your protein powder. You can implement a comprehensive strategy focusing on targeted marketing, customer engagement, and product visibility. Here is a strategic plan. So it will provide me a detailed informative strategic plan to attract more customer for protein powder. Define your target audience. So the actionable steps are this: identify key demographics like age, gender, fitness level, dietary preference, and all these things. Analyze your current customer base to find common characteristic. Research market trends, potential obstacles, measure of success. Then optimize your online presence. Actionable steps: website optimization, content creation, social media marketing. Potential obstacles, measure of success: implement target advertising. Actionable steps are this: Facebook ads, Google ads, influencer partnership, and all those things I need to do. And then potential obstacles, measure of success. The format is same. Here they are providing more informative details. Offer, promotion, and discount purpose, what I need to do. The actionable steps are this: limited time offer, referral program, bundles. Potential obstacles is this, measure of success is this: enhance customer experience. What I need to do for enhancing customer experience, these are the steps I need to follow. Explore new sales channel. actionable steps are this: e-commerce platform, partnership, retail presence, all these things I need to do, additional resources and tools, Google Analytics I need to use for a tracking purpose, social media management tools, Suite, Buffer, and Sprout Special, or all these tools I need to use for social media performance, email marketing I need to do for Mailchimp and other email provider, customer feedback, and all these things. So it has given me based on my challenges. So what kind of challenges I was facing, what kind of challenges I was facing, I have mentioned here. So here I have given, you ask me the question, you ask me the question, and accordingly you provide me a solution. So I have written the prompt. For now on, I will provide a description of various business challenges. So here I have given only one challenges. Again, I think it will ask me another challenges. Implementing these strategies can help boost your customer base and increase sales for your protein powder. Let me know if you need further details or additional strategies. So if you have any other challenges also, you can discuss with ChatGPT or any other artificial tool. It will provide more specific answer. Again, so based on my problem, based on my challenges, it has given me a solution. You can see the quality of the content, the more the detailed information it has given, all the detailed information it is mentioned. So accordingly I can implement my business. Okay, so I think you have got a pretty clear idea about ask for input pattern. You need to ask. Again, there are lots, I think 5 6 examples I have given. You need to copy it, paste it, replace your content, replace your subject, replace your topic, and then practice it, and I'm sure you will get your best prompt. Oh, so here the example number 3 is, from now on I will describe different marketing campaigns I am considering. You will create a detailed marketing plan for each campaign, including target audience, messaging, challenges, and KPIs. Finally, highlight any risk or consideration to keep in mind. Ask me for the first marketing campaign idea. Again, the fourth example is, from now on I will share outlines to different software projects I want to develop. You will provide a comprehensive project plan for each one, including development phases, timelines, resources needed, and potential challenges. Finally, recommend any best practice or methodologies to follow. Ask me for the first software project outline. Again, the another example is, from now on I will give you different book titles and genres I am interested in. You will create a detailed book summary and outline for each one. So here you can see I have given 5 examples. You can create 500 examples, I'm pretty sure about it. You need to copy it, paste it, and then replace your content. So I think you have got the idea how to use that ask for input pattern. It is super powerful pattern, one of the super powerful pattern. You can use it for your challenges, for your business, for your desired output. So I'm sure you will get the best possible answer. And just practice it. Without practice you can't get it. You need to test it, how you need to implement it. If you want to add something, delete something, that is also fine, but practice it. You need to practice, and the more you will practice, the more better prompt you will generate, and you will generate more accurate answer for your request. So yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.